Welcome to our walkthrough of the Playlister Club dashboard. In this video, we'll guide you through each step to make sure your Playlister Club campaign is set up for success. Once you're logged into your account, click the plus sign at the top of your dashboard to find the song you want to promote. You can search by track name, artist name, or paste in a Spotify URL. When you've selected your song, this will open up to the start page. This is where you'll get an overview of the tools, set your daily budget, choose your campaign length, and preview how your campaign will look before launching. Remember, a Playlister Club campaign puts your track in front of thousands of playlist curators, helping you land more placements, expand your exposure, and boost streams. For best results, we recommend running your playlisting campaign for at least 1 month. When you're ready, hit buy now, and your campaign will start running as soon as your payment is processed. Once your campaign is live, head to the Playlister Club tab to monitor its progress. Here you'll see how many placements, reviews, listens, and views your track has received. This is also an overview bubble with a detailed summary of your stats. This will give you a clear snapshot of how your campaign is performing. Keep scrolling to read through curator reviews and see exactly which playlists have added your song. Want to update your preview for curators? Go to the Settings tab where you can change your background image, add lyrics or your song story, and adjust which parts of the song curators get to hear. To stop your campaign from renewing automatically, simply toggle the Auto Renewal button to off. If this is left on, your campaign will continue running under your current payment plan, giving your track more time in front of curators. Click on the Artist Growth Radar for an in-depth look at your overall growth as an artist. Here you'll find trends in your Spotify listeners and what countries they're streaming from, how your followers are evolving, and personalized tips on what to do next based on your promotion cycle. Click the sidebar on the left to open your My Activity section and explore your full campaign history. You can filter by artist, campaign type, dates, and more to find exactly what you need and stay organized. To access your account settings, click your profile icon on the top right. From here, you can update your contact info, payment details, and any other account preferences. Make sure to check back in on your dashboard regularly to track your progress. Once your campaign wraps up, you'll have a full view of your results and can decide on your next move. You are now ready to launch your Playlister Club campaign. We can't wait to see how your track grows. Thanks for watching.